I welcome you to the official launch of second edition of HCL Cyclothon Chennai 2024.
HCL நிறுவனத்தின் சார்பாக HCL Cyclothon Chennai 2024 இன் தொடக்க விழாவிற்கு உங்களை வரவேற்பதில் பெருமகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன்.
We have with us our esteemed guest, Mr. Onkar Singh, Secretary General ACC, Secretary General Cycling Federation of India. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our chief guest for this launch, Thiru Meghanatha Reddy, Member Secretary, Sports Development Authority of Tamil Nadu. Let's have a huge round of applause for our chief guest. I request Sundar to present a memento to our chief. Please allow me to invite Mr. Atulya Misra, Event Director of HCL Cyclothon.
Thank you, Alicia. Welcome everyone. Good afternoon.
Of course, Abhishek and Rajat for this. It's a pleasure to be here, and of course, really delighted to see such a audience of and allied areas sort of enterprise. We've been in next year or year after next is going to be a 50th year of existence. So it's a long journey in Indian technology firm event for us. Our founder Shiv Nader is Tamil Nadu person, as all of you know. Corporate Vice President from HCL Technologies here. Thank you, Shri. And she's an ardent cyclist as well, so that's a benefit for us in that sense. So, one of the things that we at HCL do, we like to think of ourselves as, while we do a lot of work in healthcare, we're excited when we see a cricket match, when we see our team winning, all of us are excited when we see a badminton or any sport for that matter. So sports in our mind is one of the key ways in which the human potential multiplier aspect is very clearly shown. That in mind, we then started thinking in terms of what do we do for sports as it's here. And we looked at various sports. And as Abhishek mentioned, during the times of COVID, we started again thinking further. And one of with the Government of Tamil Nadu and Mr. Meghanatha Reddy will talk about it when he gives his chief guest remarks. And of course, working closely with the Cycling Federation as well. So,
I remember first year the questions used to be
about our philosophy of HCL Group. I'll just take this a little further. HCL Sports is all about multiplying potential of athletes and the ecosystem, right? So now with that thought in mind, how do we impact cycling is one of the things that we thought about. And I think the first two editions in Noida and Chennai were more about doing this event, promoting cycling to amateurs, and be just specific to cyclothon, but it will probably be a year-round activity. We'll do some rides with them.
Classy rap type launch video or the second edition of HCL Cyclothon Chennai 2024. I'll request the team to play the launch video, please.
What you may do. Wake up, change up, feel the flow. You right, get right, it's time to go. From MGM to ECR, the scene is alive. Let's decide the door is there, it's a pretty right, go.
HCL Cyclothon. Tamil Nadu government towards uplifting the sport. I have been cycling, for last, and I think all the cyclists will agree. The kind of support we got from the Chief Minister, Sir, Honorable Sports Minister, Sir, last year. It deserves a big round of applause, a great applause. What we saw in the video, that 55-kilometer stretch, and I remember from day one when HCL leadership team approached Honorable Ministers.
I think that we didn't have this resources or this kind of support to reach to those people who really cycle. We are into competitive cycling. I think HCL was the conduit for us to reach to each and every cyclist in the country. So I'm grateful.
Cycling enthusiasts, friends from media, அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். At the outset, it's a matter of pride for SDAT to be partnering with HCL for this HCL Cyclothon Chennai edition 2. And at the same time, I must place on record our sincere gratitude and thanks to Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Sports Minister Sir. HCL, is from Tamil Nadu, but a cycling event is happening in Noida. Why not Chennai? Because Chennai is known for its cycling. So that's the first trigger. And then we know the kind of support HCL is doing to squash and other sports. And then we felt Chennai deserves HCL Cyclothon. This event has to be done in a very successful manner.